Welcome back to Take the Scary Out of Cooking Seafood.
Today, we're diving into the deliciously deep south, where spices simmer and flavor rises from the pot like a spirit.
We're talking about jambalaya. It's got sausage, shrimp, and a whole lot of soul.
And even though it sounds like a spell from a cookbook, it's way easier than it looks.
Start by browning the smoked sausage with chopped onions. This step builds that signature base, smoky, savory, and just a little sultry. Next, add the holy trinity of southern cooking: green bell pepper, celery, and garlic. Let it all soften and mingle.
And if the smell hasn't summoned your family to the kitchen yet, wait for the next part.
Now in goes the magic mix: canned tomatoes with juice, tomato paste, rice, and a whole bouquet of spices: thyme, bay leaf, parsley, cayenne.
Cayenne brings the heat, but don't be scared. You're in control of the flame. Fun fact, jambalaya is a blend of Spanish and French influences, kind of like paella's long-lost cousin. It's been warming bellies for centuries.
Pour in the water and give it a good stir. Bring it to a boil, then drop in your shrimp and reduce the heat.
Shrimp cook fast. They'll be tender and perfect by the time the rice finishes, soaking up all those spooky good flavors.
This part takes 30 to 45 minutes, so don't rush it. Let the rice get fluffy and the broth thicken into magic.
And if a bay leaf floats to the top, no, it's not trying to escape. It just did its job. Remove it before serving.
Rich, hearty, and packed with shrimp, this is one pot you'll want to stir again and again.
Plus, shrimp are a great source of selenium, which supports immune health, perfect for spooky season survival.
Jambalaya may sound like a monster of a meal, but now you know it's just rice, spice, and everything nice.
And next time, we're slaying some grouper to close out our seafood spellbook.
Happy cooking and happy October!